This is a beautiful townhouse studio. Kitchen is huge. There's a bathroom back there, as you can see, very clean bathroom. This is the kitchen. It's an eat-in kitchen, as you can see here. Very high ceilings. Full-size refrigerator. Space for all that you need. Kitchen here. Lots of storage. Cabinetry. And here's the beauty. Look at this direct sunlight. This faces south, so you get a lot of sunlight all day. It's a tree-lined block. Very bright apartment. And you get these two bonus closets. Look here, you've got this closet here, all the space. Then on top of it, you've got that closet. Over here, you've got another closet at the top. And then you've got this bonus closet here. Let's just turn away really quick so you can see. There's a lot of light. And here's the closet.